Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share a little haul that I did at the Dollar Tree today. I am getting ready for Halloween, and my daughter had she visited a friend, so I went and swung by the Dollar Tree while I was out. I got these really cool craft scrapers. Never seen them there. I got a couple of them because I'm always losing them. I got these booties for my daughter and I. Thought they were cute. And I found a red mitten. I don't know. I'm still thinking I'm gonna make those ornaments or little decorations. Yeah, so I bought a red one. I finally found the wooden shapes. I got two of those, and I saw Anna White did a tutorial, and she inked these up, and it turned out so cute. And then I found the bells. I got two of those, and then I just got one of the snowflakes. Okay, so let's share. Okay, let me put these away. Sorry for the crinkling, I can't help it. Take those away, and look what I found. OMG, here's the big one, and this is the little one. Oh my gosh, I found them. I think I saw Cynthia or Jetta, her Instagram, and she showed these cuties, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go to Dollar Tree. So I found those, and I found the big one. They have a smaller version of this, just like the gingerbread bed, and I didn't get the big one. I mean, I didn't get the small one. This is the big one. But I thought this was so cute to give out for gifts. Let's see, which was the other one that I got? So I got a ton of gingerbread ones, these guys, and then I got this cute container of these cute little gingies, and this is really nicely, I mean, I can't even pull this apart. It is really snug. It has that rubber seal, and it's a fairly good size. You just seal it up. Look how cute that is! Oh my gosh! I bought several of these, and I guess you don't need a new one. I just wanted to show you the size of the little one and the big one. I'm going to open it up for you. So cute! These are so adorable for like Happy Mail. Oh my gosh. And yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. I'm enjoying everybody's Saturday morning mix. It's been so much fun watching everybody's creativity. It's just amazing. Thanks, Jill, for all that you do for us, getting us to craft. It's amazing. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.